How to refine boiled rice for perfect fluffiness. Ingredients: boiled rice water. Instructions: 1. Prepare the boiled rice. Start with a batch of cooked rice. You can use any type of rice you prefer, such as long grain, short grain, or basmati. 2. Cool the rice. Allow the boiled rice to cool for about 5–10 minutes after cooking. This cooling period helps to firm up the grains slightly and makes them less likely to break during the refining process. 3. Gather your tools. You'll need a large, wide bowl or tray to work with the rice. Make sure it's clean and dry. 4. Wet your hands. Before handling the rice, wet your hands with water. This prevents the rice from sticking to your hands during the refining process. 5. Separate and fluff. Gently transfer the cooled rice into the wide bowl or tray. Use your wet hands to separate the grains and fluff them up. Be gentle to avoid smashing the rice grains. 6. Add water sparingly. If you find that the rice is still clumping together, sprinkle a small amount of water, a teaspoon at a time, evenly over the rice. Use your wet hands to incorporate the water and continue to fluff the rice. 7. Repeat as needed. Continue to separate and fluff the rice, adding water sparingly if necessary, until you achieve the desired level of grain separation and fluffiness. Be patient and add water incrementally to avoid making the rice too wet. 8. Serve or store. Once you've refined the rice to your satisfaction, you can serve it immediately with your favorite dishes or store it in an airtight container to enjoy later. Refining boiled rice in this manner helps to prevent clumping and ensures each grain is separate and fluffy. It's a simple technique that can elevate the texture and presentation of your rice-based dishes.